One Amazon listings that dominate page one, Helium 10 can help, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it right. Now, Helium 10 has a lot of different tools, but first we're going to see, we went through all of these tools that Helium 10 offers, and it helped our client generate $65,000 a month right now. It does take time, it takes effort, but Helium 10 really does help reduce the time. Now, there's a link in the description. You can sign up for free and just try it out. Can't beat that. But the first thing is the listing analyzer. So let's say we were selling ab devices, right? We want to sell, everybody wants abs, right? So we're going to sell an ab workout device. And let's say this is our device right here. And we can copy the Asin. And not only that, Helium 10 actually shows you how much money they're making a month. So again, these guys are making $53,000 a month, $100,000 a month on Amazon, 38, 86, 163. And we can see, okay, how can we make our listing better? So you can put in your main Asin, run an analysis, and it's going to be telling you all of the data of either your product or a competitor's product, right? So you can make your product better. This is probably going to be the first thing you can do, is put your own product through this so you can see what the data is going to be showing, right? So again, we got the price. So the listing quality scores, it says it's perfect actually, which is awesome. But when you run your listing through this, it might not be perfect, right? And that way you can make your listing even better. We've got the price, the stock, the review count, the age, the units sold. You can see all of that data, the category and subcategory, bestseller rating, BSR. And you can see the seller region. So the seller's from Hong Kong, and we're looking at all this different data right here. Now, this is where the listing quality score really comes handy. It's going to show you exactly that your title doesn't include this. Your title contains at least 150 characters. You at least have 5 bullet points, right? It's got a checklist for you to make sure your listing is fully optimized from Helium 10's terms. Now, this really does help you see, okay, why is my listing not doing good? How can I make my listing better? You definitely want to just run your products through this. Not only that, it tells you your top keywords that you're ranking for. You can also put your competitor into here and see the top keywords that they're ranking for and try to take some of their keywords and put it in your listing. So again, this tool is doing so much at once. And let's see, let's search volume. So ad machine, that's like one of the first words in their title. Let's go back to their listing. Here's their listing, ab machine. That's the first word pretty much in their title other than their brand name. And that's getting 23,000 searches a month. Do you think you should have that in your title? Probably. If you're running a campaign or a product like this, that should probably be one of the first things in your title if it's getting so many views, right? And then you can see other things that you can add into your title or your bullet points, and it's just great data to see, and it's a great tool to analyze your own listing. Next up is going to be a tool called Frankenstein. So duplicate keywords don't really help you on Amazon, and sometimes you'll see someone's title and it has duplicate keywords over and over and over again. So you want to use Frankenstein, again, another tool. And what this does is it removes duplicates for you. So if you have duplicate keywords on your Amazon listing, you can just put it in. So you can see this one right here, ab machine, ab workout equipment, sit up machine, and ab. So a lot of duplicate keywords, right? And this most likely, if it has the same keywords in the title and the bullet points, right, it's just not adding value. You can actually add new keywords in here. So what we can do is actually put the title. So I copied the title, put it into Frankenstein, and then what I can do is click process, and then it's going to actually remove the duplicates. Look how it looks when the duplicates are removed. That means like there's so much more I can add to this title and not take away. So right now what they're trying to do is they're trying to rank for exact keyword matches, right? And that's fine, you can do that initially, but you don't want to keep your listing like this. You want to add more to it, right? Add more keywords that people are searching. So what you're going to do is run your bullet points, at least your bullet points. If you want to keep your title the same, that's fine, but at least your bullet points, run through here, try to remove some of the duplicates. You don't have to remove all of them, but if you have the same keyword over and over again, let's see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. They've got ab mentioned 4 times in the title, I can promise you that is not helping them whatsoever. So what you're going to do is pretty much optimize your listing, and then you're going to go to the next tool, which is Magnet. So run your listing through Frankenstein, remove those duplicates, put the main keyword of your listing in Magnet. So this is a ab machine. So again, now you're going to use Magnet, and it's going to pretty much tell you what keywords. You're going to find high volume search terms that are relevant to your entered keywords. So once this does its work, what we can do is say, okay, what other keywords can we add in here that's going to help me increase sales, help me increase my organic rank, show up more on Amazon organically. And that's where Magnet comes in. And this tool is extremely powerful, right? So let's let it load. Okay, so what we're going to do is it's going to show us all these different keywords. We're going to obviously try to get the most search volume keywords, the highest search volume. TENS unit. So actually, if it's a TENS unit, adjustable dumbbell set, Pilates equipment, waist trainer. If your ab equipment also helps work waists. Workout equipment. Boom, this is a huge keyword. So do they have that in their title? Workout equipment. They do. Perfect. So this one's already in their title, so this is good. But if it wasn't, you have a new keyword that you can find and put it in your title. Home gym. This is perfect. Another beautiful keyword. This keyword, home gym, is getting 47,000 searches a month. They have to have this. Yeah, they do have it. So they're doing this already. So what they're doing is they're definitely using Helium 10. They're literally doing my same exact thing where they're grabbing those top keywords and they're putting it in their title. You can see it's right here. They put that. Let's try to find if there's something in the title that they don't have. I think they have fitness in their title. They have to, right? Fitness. They don't have fitness in their title, but they do have it in their first bullet point. Excellent fitness helper. So fitness is getting 40,000 searches a month. Another good keyword. I think that with taking this out, a lot of the keywords, they can put the word fitness in their title. So again, we can add that in. Be like, oh, add in fitness. So now we can just put a little reminder right there, and we can add it in after. Stair stepper, workout set, cardio equipment, cool stuff, too generic, gym, demon slayer, ab roller. We can add the keyword ab roller. This one's probably not going to be for the title, but for the bullet points, and say it's similar to an ab roller, but better, right? So if they have that, ab roller, again, so I would add that into their bullet points, add in title, and then add in bullet points. Ab roller, right? So you can put like, oh, better than an ab roller. So people, but then you're going to be ranking for that. Okay, and then the next cherry on top is going to be influencer finders. There is Amazon influencers. Now this is a new tool that they're offering, Helium 10, which is awesome. And then what you can do is you can require, so you can import one or more Asin's product, title, name, use filter, so you can accelerate search. So we're gonna put the Asin in here, make it super duper easy. And then what we wanna do is make sure that they all have an email. And then we're gonna apply the filters. And this is going to help us automatically find, let's say, okay, so that's not showing up. Let's do, what is it, ab machine? Let's try this one. Let's see if this works. If not, this one, okay, perfect. So honest reviews, we've got ab machine. You can also select your category. So if we're doing workout, as long as they do exercise and fitness, I think that's where we can target. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna do another apply filters. And there we go. Now we're getting clothing, martial artists. Let's connect. Let's connect. So again, you can look at these people and it has their emails right here. And these are actual Amazon influencers. So we can look at their page and we can see he's actually promoting a lot of this stuff outside, right? And this is going to help you generate extra sales, and they're actual Amazon influencers. And we can see how much money he's making. Average parent level revenue, $121,000. Average Asin revenue, $53,000, right? $118,000. She's also on TikTok. So she's also on TikTok and Instagram. And you can see upper carousel video count, lower carousel video count, photos posted, her email. She's posted over 400 videos, right? Again, so great opportunity to get in front of people. Let's connect. She even here's her Gmail. Homeschool mom of 4 adventurous busy kids, telling you about our family and our favorite things. Trending pics from Christina, so you can look at her stuff. And she has like a little...
This is so embarrassing to talk about.
So she knows what she's doing. So again, great opportunity to just get your product in front of influencers and just reach out to them. Usually you can just give them a free product and then they'll make a video for it for free. So it's just giving away some of your product, and it's an easy way to test it out, especially since they're in the Amazon affiliate influencer program. They can get and make a video, and it's going to show up pretty much on competitors' pages. So another great tool that I wanted to tell you about. Now that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, utilizing Helium 10, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.